Hey guys, good morning. It's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I posted the must-do deals video for in-store using that 25% off coupon that we got from the current week's deal. So if you haven't checked out my Walgreens haul, I will have it linked below as well as in the description box. I also posted a couple other scenarios for what you can do to get that 25% off coupon. On Monday, I posted 2 additional scenarios. So there's a lot of great food deals and other deals going on at Walgreens the current week. And I wanted to post some videos of some great deals you can take advantage of next week using that 25% off coupon. So if you haven't checked out the in-store must-do deals video, make sure you head over there and check that out as well. And check your coupon folder. As you can see here, I have a spend 20, get 5,000 point digital booster. So the digital booster, I'm assuming, will stack with the 25% off booster if you are going in stores. So we'll go over a couple tips and guidelines for using the spend booster. Also, if you have a printed spend 20, get 5,000 points that would have printed from the Catalina, you may be able to throw that in there as well. I know the paper coupon and the 25% off coupon are stacking. I'm assuming all 3 will stack. Usually a paper booster and a digital booster will stack on top of each other. Then you would be doing spend 20, get 10,000 points back, which is the equivalent to $10. So that would be amazing. So drop a comment below. Let me know which spend booster you got, if you got any. This is the one that I got. I know there are a couple other versions floating around. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, take a second. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. When I post all of these amazing deals and money saving tips, you guys will be notified. So I did get a request from one of my subscribers to do a complete food haul using that 25% off coupon for next week. So I'm going to try to put together some different deals and some great food items that you can stock up on for essentials next week using that 25% off coupon. So fingers crossed I'm able to get to that today. I have a couple videos I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. So the first one is on Dove body wash. So at the end of the 6 must-do deals, I do have 2 separate scenarios for 2 transactions you could do using the spend 20 booster. So stay tuned for that. I will have that at the end of the video. So for Dove, it's on the men and the regular Dove body wash. They are going to be $5.99 each. We have a $2 digital coupon. So make sure you clip all of these coupons now. They will disappear if you don't clip them, if enough people do. So you want to make sure that you're one of those good ones that goes ahead, clips that coupon so it doesn't disappear on you. You'll wind up paying $9.98 for both or just $4.49 each. Now in my spend 20 transaction, of course, the final cost is not going to be $4.49 each. So we will be getting a much better deal, of course, at the end. Old Spice and Secret Deodorant. I know a lot of accounts got these high value digital coupons. They showed up for me the current week, so they may still be available. I'm not sure. Double check. What the deal is for the Old Spice and Secret Deodorant is buy 4, get 4,000 points back, and they're on sale 2 for $10. So what you would do is pick up 2 of each. There are Ibotta rebates for the Old Spice deodorant, but it's for the ultra smooth version. I checked online. I don't think it's going to be included, but we'll have to see on Sunday and see if it is going to be included when the new sales roll around online. If it is, that would be another great deal that you could do in store to get that Ibotta rebate, because there's no way of getting the Ibotta rebate when you do it online. I was trying to figure that out all day yesterday and it just wasn't working. So when you use the $4 off to Old Spice Digital and the $4 off to Secret Digital, you'll pay $12, get back 4,000 points. So final cost is $8 for all 4 deodorants, or just $2 per deodorant, which is definitely an amazing, amazing deal because these are obviously better deodorants and more expensive. The current week, we were getting Mitchum deodorant for 99 cents. And we're getting some free Lady Speed Stick. So for $2, you can get a nicer deodorant next week. Colgate Optic White is going to be on sale for $2.99 each, and when you buy two, you're going to get 4,000 points back. So the coupon you're going to be using is the $1 digital coupon that we got the current week. So if you did not use it this week, you can use it next week because it has an expiration date of, I believe, the 18th. So that is the coupon you would be using. If you have already used that coupon like I did the current week, then you would just pay an additional $1 and the final cost would be 75 cents each. So still not a bad deal. So what you would do is pick up two of the Colgate Optic White for $2.99 each. Using that digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back 4,000 points, which is the equivalent to $4. Final cost is just 98 cents for both, or 49 cents per tube of toothpaste. So that is the price point I like to be around, between 50 to 75 cents per tube of toothpaste. Of course, sometimes we do get them completely free or even money makers, which are always nice. But 50 cents to 75 cents is definitely a good stock up price point. Palmolive, the 10 ounce. As you see, the Ajax is included as well, but it didn't show that it was available online when I checked the other day, but the Palmolive is, so this would be a good deal to do online. And of course, no coupons are needed. If you have the Walgreens reward account, you will get the price for just 99 cents. Sally Hansen is on sale, buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get 2,000 points. So there is a digital coupon that I've heard. It's a $6 off two coupon, which would obviously make this deal amazing. I do not have that coupon. Some accounts don't. So I wanted to do the deal based off a coupon I think everyone has. So what you would do is buy two of the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure nail polishes. They're $8.99. So the second one would be $4.49. There is a $3 off Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure digital coupon. So make sure you clip that, send it to your card. I just clipped it yesterday, so it was still available yesterday. You'll be left to pay $10.48, get back 2,000 points. Final cost is $8.48 for both, or $4.24 each. So not the most amazing deal, but nail polishes are quite expensive, and you would be getting both nail polishes for a little more than 50% off, which is still a really great price point. And of course, this will track towards Walgreens Beauty. Every $50 in Walgreens Beauty you spend, you'll get an additional 5,000 points back. Maybelline will also track towards Walgreens Beauty. They're on sale, buy one, get one half off. So one version you can do is one of the Maybelline Baby Lips. They are $3.99. And one of the Maybelline single eyeshadows, they are also $3.99. So with the 50% off, they would be just $1.99. You would use a $2 Maybelline Eye Digital and a $2 Maybelline Lip Digital. Therefore, you're only left to pay $1.99 for both products, or 99 cents each, which is definitely a great price point. So now let's get into our two spend scenarios. Couple tips I want to go over with you first. It is a spend booster, so you cannot pay with points. You can use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost if you were doing this in store. Obviously, you cannot use register rewards or paper coupons online because there's no way of entering them in or scanning them, anything like that. So register rewards and paper coupons you can only use in store. You have to be at $20 or more after any Walgreens or IBC coupons. So if your total is $20 and then you have a $2 IBC coupon, your total is now $18 and this scenario will not work. Also, if your total comes to $19.99, it will also not work. It has to be exactly $20 or more, and then you'll get the 5,000 points back. So the first scenario I have for you, you will pick up two of the Old Spice deodorant for $10, two of the Secret for $10, Then you would use the 4 off of 2 Secret Digital and the 4 off of 2 Old Spice Digital. In case you didn't get one of those coupons, I do have a separate scenario that is not including these 2 items. So I wanted to add that after this scenario just in case, because I don't think those are still currently available. You'll pay $12 out of pocket. I put here or with Register Rewards. Again, if you were doing it in store, you could use Register Rewards. If you're doing this online, you'll pay the $12 cash. Do not use points, or you can use credit debit, of course. You'll get back 4,000 points from doing this deal and 5,000 points from the booster. So final cost will be $3 for 4 items or 75 cents each, which is such a great deal. And here is the second scenario. So what you could pick up is 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. They're $2.99 each. Total would be $5.98. 1 of the Maybelline Baby Lips for $3.99. 1 of the Maybelline Single Eyeshadows for $1.99 because those, remember, are buy one, get one half off. And then 2 of the Dove Body Wash, either the men's or the women's. You can mix and match, doesn't matter. They're $5.99 each, so the total would be $11.98. So your total for all these products is going to be $23.94 plus taxes. The coupons equal $7. You'll be left to pay $16.94 out of pocket plus taxes. Again, do not use points. You'll get back 5,000 points from the booster and 4,000 points from the Colgate deal, which is a total of $9 back. Final cost is $7.94 plus tax for all 6 items, or $1.32 each. So those are the 2 scenarios and a bunch of great deals that you can do online at Walgreens next week. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. If you haven't entered in my newest giveaway, make sure you click this video in the top left. And you can enter in my CVS haul video. That is where you can enter my giveaway to get a $10 gift card. I will be choosing the winner this afternoon in my CVS online must-do deals video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.